Hi everybody, it's Andy, and this is lesson 2 of the Arduino kit. If you want to know all about the Arduino board and the controller board, go check out lesson 1, link in the description, and it will pop up right here too. Before we start the video, make sure to like it and comment down below what you'd like to see next, or if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. To start this lesson, we're going to have our controller board unplugged. And then we are going to, of course, read the book. This lesson will be called Lighting Effects. Let's get started with it. You're going to be needing a blue wire, a yellow wire, a red light, a resistor, an actual board, and of course, you will need a controller board with your controller USB plug-in. Okay, so for this lesson, we're going to take our board. And first we're going to connect our wires. So the yellow wire will plug into channel 7. And I'm going to zoom in on it, that means you guys can see, right? And then I'm going to plug it into the bottom of 13 right here. Now we're going to take our blue wire, we're going to plug it into our ground channel right there. I'm going to zoom in on it, of course. We're going to connect it on the blue line at 10, which should be right there. Now, just a note, but when we get later on into our lessons, it will matter because we'll focus on how much voltage is needed. Now we're going to plug in our resistor, and it will go right here, and it does kind of matter that you get it in there, but you don't want to push it or else the resistor will bend. Alrighty, now we're going to plug in our light. Right here is what you call an anode. This is the long piece of the LED, and right here is the cathode of the LED. An anode is a positively charged wire of the light, and the cathode is a negatively charged wire of the light. The anode will line up with the yellow wire. Then, and it doesn't really matter where you put it, but it suggests that you put it at the top right here. And then we're going to plug the cathode along with the resistor. Alrighty, now we're going to switch over to our Arduino setup. Whee! Before this board, we're going to hit enter, and then we're going to go up. I was about to say it. Alright, so we're going to type in ENT, and then we're going to hit spacebar, and we're going to type in LED. Then we're going to say it equals 7. And then we're going to put semicolon and then 2 slashes. And then we're going to put in LED connected to pin. Connected to pin 7. Alrighty, now that we have that out of the way, we're going to go over to our void setup. And what we're going to put in is pin with the capital M mode, set my capital M, with a capital M mode, and then we're going to type in LED, and then we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to type in output. And then we're going to put in a semicolon, and then we're going to put in slash slash, which then we're going to put in LED is declared off. Oh, and that was a wrong count. And then we're going to put in LED, and then we're going to put in LED is declared as an output. Okay, now we're going to go over to our void loop. And we're going to type in digital, I can't spell. We're going to type in digital, where does it, we're going to type in digital, and then we're going to put in with a capital W, right, without any spaces in between the both. And then we're going to type in LED, comma, all caps, hi. Hi there. And then we're going to put in semicolon and then slash slash. And then we're going to put in with all caps LED and then no caps is on. And then we're going to hit enter and we're going to type in a delay. And we're going to put in 500. And we don't have to put in the 500 milliseconds this time because the program gets what I am putting in. Okay, now we're gonna write digital right, and then we're gonna put in LED, comma, but put in all caps low, and then semicolon, and then slash slash with all caps LED is off. And then we're gonna hit space and we're gonna type in delay, and then we're gonna put 500 inside of there. Now that we have this program written in, we are gonna hit verify. And it's gonna ask you to save. Of course, you're gonna save it. Quick, before we upload it, make sure that you have your controller board plugged into your controller USB port. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have a light blinking red, and that is our lesson 2 lighting effects there. It was really simple to do. You can do this at home as long as you have the classroom kit available to you. What's up, everybody? I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you enjoyed it or not. And make sure to subscribe to our channel because we are on our way to 100 subscribers. Queen and Andy saves the day.